Hi everyone. Let's talk about revenue management. Revenue management has got some key areas to focus on. To start with, forecasting, followed by pricing, yield management, and lastly the channel management. All these are interconnected. So today we will briefly cover forecasting. Forecasting is about looking into the future. If you can forecast accurately in terms of what is the demand level, how much business will be coming to your property, on that basis, you should be able to forecast by day, by market segment, and adjust your price points accordingly. Forecasting, your key performance indicators are occupancy, average rate, and RevPAR. RevPAR being one of the critical areas where revenue managers focus, and RevPAR is directly connected to revenue. Okay, so better the revenue, better the profitability, but the revenue manager's main objective is to create that balance between occupancy and rate. Okay, so when the demand is high, the price points go up. When the demand is low, price points come down. But it has to be the right mix of occupancy and rate. Now this obviously comes in through forecasting. So forecasting wise, revenue managers generally when they forecast, the accuracy should be plus minus 5%. That will give the correct, accurate pricing decisions and also the correct yield management decisions. So in the following sessions, we will also be covering pricing, yield management restrictions, and channel management. So covering all the main areas of revenue management. So keep watching. Thank you.